Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 10 SE, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, we will need to power off the device by holding the power key. And select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume up. Now you want to hold both of the keys at the same time. Keep holding them. And when you see the TCL logo, you can let go. And from here, using volume keys, you want to navigate down to enter Fastboot mode or Fastboot and press power key, confirm it. And as you can see, we're now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you would boot it into it. And once you want to leave it, you can simply select reboot system now or power off, one of the two options. Now you also have the ability to reboot to bootloader or also go back to recovery mode, which is the previous screen. And again, same thing, using volume keys you will need to navigate, and then whatever you select, press power key to confirm it. And as you can see, we're now back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.